Ever wonder how much of what you hear about exoplanets is actually true? With new discoveries happening all the time, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement and believe everything you read. But as Carl Sagan once said, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. From planets supposedly made of diamonds to claims of finding Earth 2.0, the truth about these distant worlds can get lost in sensationalized headlines. Could some of the most popular facts about these distant planets be completely wrong? In this video, I'll uncover the top 5 biggest myths about exoplanets and explain why they're misleading. Stick around to find out how these misconceptions spread and what you can do to avoid falling for them. Our first exoplanet myth takes us to HD 1546b, a gas giant that often gets misrepresented as a cosmic behemoth. There was a rumor that HD 1546b was almost the size of our Sun, with a mass over 700 times that of Jupiter. This would be truly remarkable if it were true. But the truth is a bit more nuanced. The source of this misinformation? A simple typo on the NASA exoplanet website. This typo, which went unnoticed for years, led to the inflated mass estimate for HD 1546b. In reality, HD 1546b is still a massive planet, likely around 60% more massive than Jupiter. That's still pretty impressive, wouldn't you say? But it's nowhere near the sun-sized giant it was initially made out to be. We don't even know the exact size of HD 1546b due to its thick veil of dust clouds. The lesson here? Don't believe everything you read, especially when it comes to numbers. Always look for multiple sources and be skeptical of extraordinary claims. Let's talk about 55 Cancri e, or as it's officially known, Janssen. It's often dubbed the Diamond Planet, sparkling with the promise of untold riches. Who wouldn't want to get their hands on a planet made of diamonds, right? The idea that Janssen is made of diamonds is tantalizing. It orbits a star rich in carbon, the same element that makes up diamonds. So, naturally some people thought, aha, a carbon-rich star, a planet orbiting it, it must be a diamond planet. But hold on a second, while the conditions around Janssen might be suitable for diamond formation, there's no concrete evidence to suggest that the planet itself is one giant gemstone. Even if Janssen isn't a celestial diamond mine, it's still a fascinating world in its own right. Imagine a planet with a global lava ocean, a churning sea of molten rock covering its entire surface. So yes, while the idea of a diamond planet is intriguing, it's important to remember that scientific speculation should be grounded in evidence. Let's venture into the realm of truly alien worlds, planets so dark they make Darth Vader's suit look bright. Exoplanets like TRES-2b and WASP-12b absorb nearly all the light that hits them. TRES-2b reflects less light than coal, making it one of the darkest planets discovered. These planets are incredibly close to their stars, much closer than Earth is to the Sun. Despite absorbing most starlight, the small amount they reflect is intense. So while TRES-2b and WASP-12b are light absorbent, they wouldn't look pitch black up close. Ah, the search for another Earth, a twin planet where life might flourish just as it does here. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? With each new exoplanet discovery, there's always excitement, whispers of Earth 2.0, but none have been confirmed habitable. Take Kepler-22b, for example. This planet likely doesn't even have a solid surface. Imagine a world covered entirely by a vast swirling ocean. Even recent discoveries like water vapor on K218b need further investigation. The search for habitable exoplanets is ongoing, a cosmic treasure hunt. Let's talk about J1407b, often misidentified as a planet with a serious case of ring envy. J1407b is nicknamed Super Saturn due to its massive ring system. Imagine a ring system so large it would dwarf the moon in our night sky, but J1407b isn't a planet at all. It's a rogue brown dwarf, more massive than a planet but not a star. Its rings are actually a debris disk where new planets may form. This misconception is a major piece of exoplanet misinformation. Sensationalized headlines often overshadow the true scientific story. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 myths about exoplanets debunked. From diamond planets to habitable worlds, it's easy to get swept up in the excitement of new discoveries. But as we've seen, the truth is often stranger and more fascinating than fiction. Want to stay informed and get the real facts about the universe? Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos where we continue exploring the truth about the universe.